Hello. My name is Dylan Richardson. This is the We Connect tutorial series, and in this series I want to share with you how to implement a chatbot how to embed a chatbot or conversational interface on a WordPress website. So as you know, WordPress is one of the largest open source CMSs in the world, and what I want to show with you today is how to use our product on that platform. So if you have a WordPress website, or if you're planning to build onto a WordPress website, or even if you have a different CMS, it doesn't matter, because there will be a lot of good stuff for you here in this tutorial as well. So let's just dive right in. I'm now in the builder. I'm not in the builder yet. I'm now in the sign up page. This is app.weconnect.chat. If you go to weconnect.chat, you can also sign up from there. So what we're going to do is we're going to log in. I of course have my own Gmail account, and what we are going to do now is we're going to select a chatbot. If you don't have a chatbot yet, you can. There are other tutorials on building chatbots. I'm not going to go into the depth of building chatbots, but what I'm going to show you today is how to launch it. So just a quick basic overview of the steps that you can take. The builder, that's where you're in. It has 4 steps. Your conversation step, here you build your conversation flow. The design step, here you can design your chatbot and see how it looks on different interfaces. So you can see how that looks on a landing page, a widget, or inline, and then you can optimize it here. And then there's a settings tab where you can set up different settings. And then the last step is the launch step, and this is what we're going to cover today. So, and in this is what we're going to look at today, is specifically how to install your widget on a WordPress website. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to we're just going to go to our website, and we're going to log into our WordPress account. I'm just going to show you how to implement the chatbot. So there are different forms or different interfaces that you can choose from. So as you saw in the design tab, you can choose for a widget, a landing page, or inline, which means that you are going to embed it on your website. So if you go for we're just going to start with installing the widget. So what we have a plugin on WordPress. This is the WordPress environment. It will differ a little bit based on how many plugins you have installed and which themes you have, but this is their interface. What we're going to do is we're going to go to add new plugin. We're going to look for weconnect.chat, and here you have it. It's already active for me, because I already have it installed. And what you will see when you install it is that it will be placed on the settings, and then you go to weconnect.chat, and here you will have the plugin, and we're going to still modify this and update it more and more. But what you will do if you want to install it is you're going to copy this script. You're going to copy that here, and you're going to select on which page you want to have it. And then when you go to our website, if you save it, you will have, of course, we have more interfaces running. You will have the widget here. So it will be live on the website. So that is how you install the widget. Let me go back to our products. If you want to install it inline, so a widget you just installed, it's always the same code, so that's pretty easy. You can also install it twice, so that's not a problem. But if you want to install it inline, what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to embed a iframe. So you go here, you have the iframe, and what you need to do is you just need to copy it, and you will go to a page, and when you're on the page, you can select, let me just select the home page. Let me see, where is it? So this themes have a lot of pages, as you can see. I want to see all the published pages, and I want to see my home page. So where is that? That is going to be on the next page, probably. This is it. So it was the last page, the front page. And so what you can do is you can view it here. We are using Elementor, which is a tool that helps you build on top of WordPress. So if we go to edit with Elementor, we can go to, so with Elementor you can just add simply, okay, I'm just going to show you how to add a text editor here. Well, actually what you want to do is you can do a text editor, but with Elementor you also have HTML, so you can just select an HTML, you can drop it here, and then you just paste the code here and it will just launch. And then you can also adjust the width and the height, as you can see here. So I can say I want 80 and it will be smaller in width. We can also say we want the height to be 300 and it will be smaller. So you can adjust that based on your own needs, bigger, smaller, whatever you want. Just keep it like this for now, and what you do is you publish it and it will be ready. It's that easy, just plug and play. As I already mentioned earlier, this will also work for other CMSs, because, so if I go exit the dashboard here, there is also the possibility of going to the WordPress editor. Don't want to save it though, but let me see, how do I? Here you go. Here you already see it as well. Yeah, you can add in the WordPress editor, you can just add a Also a HTML or short HTML, you already saw it here. You can just add that, put it here, and then you can add the URL, your iframe code, and then it will also embed. So it's just a matter of copying. As I said before, this will work on different platforms as well. So if you have it, even if you have a text editor, there's often the possibility of having a here you can also add just code. So there's just find for code HTML, and you'll be able to add it into the website. It's that easy. Yeah, that's actually just the steps you need to take for building your conversational interface on WordPress. And if you want to see an example, the one that we have, one of them that we have running here is this one: seamlessly switch from automated chatbot to a virtual video assistant. And I'll just show you that that will work fine. So what we have here, we're going to guide the user and show them that they can have a video call or live chat. You'll select that here. I'm getting a notification as the agent. I'm going to accept it. It will open. I can start the video, and I can real time have a call with a user. So if you want to know how to implement having an automated chatbot to a virtual video assistant, have that hybrid model, check out our first tutorial. That's all about creating. We'll go into the depth on how to create that. You can create it from the widget, but you can also create it as embedded form. As you can see, this will make your website a lot more interactive. Your response time to leads will be real time, so there will be real-time response possibilities. Our agent dashboard is getting better and better, so you'll have a lot of opportunities to work with that here. The video is amazing. You'll be able to share videos with your or you'll be able to have a face-to-face conversation, but you can also share your screen and you can go through a product if you want to, or show anything that you want on your screen. So there's a lot of possibilities here. Yeah, so that's how you build a chatbot. That's how you implement your chatbot on WordPress. Thanks for watching, and see you at the next tutorial. Have a nice day.